Hello and welcome to another episode of Harold's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be covering the HyperX Alloy FPS RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. It has a compact design with brilliant RGB effects. Okay, let's check out the back. Alright, so it has backlit keys with dynamic RGB lighting effects, a solid steel frame. It has onboard memory for 3 profiles. Ultra responsive KAILH. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Silver speed mechanical key switches. Okay, so it's not a cherry switch. That's kind of interesting. I wonder what it's going to feel like. Jesus Christ. Okay, Harold should really buy a knife. Harold's going to make it work. Alright, so it looks pretty sleek. It's not that heavy. The switches look pretty intricate. Let's see what literature they provided us with. Okay, this seems just like an advertisement. Okay, this is the warranty information. Okay, so it says here again that it has the onboard memory for up to 3 profiles. I would assume that you can customize the colors in each location based on the image, but I would assume that you can also have macros that are bound to each profile. Okay. You know what? I didn't even realize, but this is a wireless keyboard, it looks like. That's good. I usually use wired just because there's a little bit less delay, but to be honest, it's not really noticeable. Yeah, I think it's Bluetooth. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, never mind guys, there's a cable. They hit it. Yeah, I didn't see anything anywhere about being Bluetooth. Okay, so it's not going to have the little bit of delay that it would have if it was Bluetooth. So, seems like a pretty long cable they give you as well. Yeah, it's about a 7-foot cable. Alright guys, so I got it plugged in, and let's check it out. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like the wave that it's doing. I assume you can customize that to go the other direction, speed, different colors as it progresses. So, I'm liking the way it looks. Let's flip this light back on, and I like the keys. I mean, it's not a cherry switch. I prefer the cherry black. I like the way it feels. I like the way it sounds. But I mean, it feels like a mechanical keyboard. Not quite what I would be looking for, but if you like Cherry MX Blues, you'd probably like this. But personally, if I would always go for a keyboard with a cherry switch. But I want to say that this was $50 flat, so this is really not bad at all for what you're getting. I mean, it has the bells and whistles. It has the lighting. It is mechanical. So that's really all you're looking for, you know, for a low-budget gaming keyboard. I think this is definitely worth the buy. Yeah. Like I said, it's very sleek. I mean, the keyboard I have right now is gigantic. So I mean, this will fit on your desk no matter how small your gaming station is. Yeah, this is good stuff. I definitely recommend it. What we like to do here, though, we like to rapidly put things back after we've unboxed it. So we're gonna do that. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh shit, it's still plugged in. Oh, twist tie, twist tie. Forget the twist tie. I don't even worry about the twist tie. Harold is not concerned about the twist tie. Harold's concerned about beating the clock. Okay. Alright. Take that, Marcus Brownlee. Harold's Tech Reviews. Easily 45-second repack right there. I'm considering working at Amazon. I hear the pay is great, the benefits are great, you don't get overworked. Jeff Bezos cares about you. That's what I heard. So once again, you know, the HyperX the Alloy FPS RGB.